In this session, let us learn about Python MySQL join. Join two or more tables. You can combine rows from two rows or more tables based on a related column between them by using a join statement. Consider you have a users table and a products table. See here, users ID one name is equal Geta fav 134, ID 2 name Cherry fav 154, ID 3 name Pon0nuri fav 155, ID 4 name Lohita fav, ID 5 name Pon0nuri fav. Products ID 154 name Chocolate Heaven, ID 155 name Tasty Lemons, ID 156 name Vanilla Dreams. These two tables can be combined by using users FAV field and products ID field. See the example. Join users and products to see the name of the user's favorite products. See here, by writing and executing this code using, see here, inner join products on users fav is equal products ID. See, by writing and executing this code, the result printed this: Geta Chocolate Heaven, Cherry Chocolate Heaven, Pon0nuri Tasty Lemon. You can use join instead of inner join, they will both give the same result. Left join. In the example above, Lohita and Pon0nuri were excluded from the result, that is because inner join only shows the records where there is a match. If you want to show all users even if they do not have a favorite product, use the left join statement. See here, select from users. See here, by writing and executing this code, SQL is equal select users name as user, products name as favorite from users, left join products on users.fav is equal products ID. See here, while writing and executing this code, the result printed this: Geta Chocolate Heaven, Cherry Chocolate Heaven, Pon0nuri Tasty Lemon, Lohita none, Pon0nuri none. Right join. If you want to return all products on the users who have them as their favorite, even if no user have them as their favorite, use a right join statement. Select all products and the users who have them as their favorite. See here, select username as user, products name as favorite from users, right join products on users fav products ID. See here the result: Geta Chocolate Heaven, Cherry Chocolate Heaven, Pon0nuri Tasty Lemon, none Vanilla Dreams. See, Lohita and Pon0nuri who have no favorite product are not included in the result. Okay friends, this is the end of part 12 Python MySQL join. In the next video, let us learn about another topic, Python MongoDB. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.